This is another powerful strategy I want to review to you. Welcome to Optimal FS. If you like my previous video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the videos and share it so that others can benefit. In this video, I will review to you another powerful strategy you can use to trade volatility 100 index profitably. 100 index volatility 100 index profitably. The time frame is 1 hour time frame. We are going to be using two indicators. One is the moving average and the other is the CCI. I will review the settings at the end of the video. Now, this is how the strategy works. First of all, identify the direction of the market, whether the market is in uptrend or downtrend. That is the first point. Now, the second point is for you to consider the point where or the side of the CCI, whether it is up or down. Now, I will show you what I mean. Look up. First of all, identify the direction of the market. Here you will see that the market is in what? Uptrend. The market is what? Uptrend. That is the first thing. Now, secondly, come to the CCI indicator and find out whatever, this CCI is demarcated into two, the upper part and the lower part. Do you understand? That is if you look very well, you will see the horizontal yellow line, two horizontal yellow line. Do you understand? Now, whenever the line of the CCI, when the market is in uptrend, whenever the CCI touches the lower line of the CCI, you take a buy position. You take what? Buy position. If you watch, this is where the CCI touched the lower horizontal line of it. So you take a buy position here. Do you understand? And if you watch, this is a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? We proceed. Now, here is another opportunity for you to gain a lot from the market. Look here, you will see the CCI touching the lower line of the CCI point, and it traces where the price is. This is where you make your buy entry. Do you understand? And this is your gain. As easy as that. Now we move. Watch here now. You will see that the market has changed direction. The market is what? In what? Downtrend. So what we will be doing now is to look for sell position. And when you are selling, when the market is in downtrend, you will look at the CCI when it touches the upper horizontal line of it. Do you understand? If you watch very well, this is where the CCI touches the upper line of it. So you take your sell position here. You take your sell position here, and this is your gain. Do you understand? Now we move. And if you look here, you see that the market has already changed direction again. It is what? An uptrend. So we'll be looking for buy positions only when the CCI touches the lower horizontal line. We take our buy position. Look here, and it traces it. So we take our buy position here. Do you understand? This is a lot of gain for you. We move. Now, if you watch closely, you will see that The CCI touches the lower band again. Look here. Then you trace it. This is where it is. This is where you need to make your buy entry. Do you understand? And this is a huge gain for you. Do you understand? So we proceed. This is another entry for you. This is another entry for you. It's the CCI touches here. This is the position where you need to make your words entry. And this is a huge gain for you, as easy as that. And if you watch very well, if you miss this particular entry, this is another entry for you, and this is also another entry for you. All these points are areas for you to establish your entry, and you continue making massive gain. Guys, follow the procedure very well and you will reap the market. You will make a lot of money. Do you understand? So we proceed. This is another entry for you. Here is another entry for you. Here is another entry for you. And if you watch, the market is still in uptrend. You make your entry here, buy position here, and this is a huge amount of money for you to make. Guys, this strategy pay very well. Do you understand? The strategy pay very well. Just observe every point of it very carefully and you will reap the market. You will make a lot of money trading volatility 100 index. The time frame is 1 hour. The time frame is 1 hour. Now let me show you the settings. The first is moving average. The period is 19. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Do you understand? The second indicator is commodity channel index. Period is 14. Apply to median price. Apply to what? Median price. The levels are minus 120 and 120. Minus 120 and what? 120. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.